So what is this? Percentage? Weight by weight. So it is ratio of weight of solute to weight of solution multiply by 100. So that is, it is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. So what is the unit of this weight? Yes. Good. And here there is no restriction. If you use in grams, so you have to use both in same unit. Both must be in same unit. So write down 10% weight by weight. What it means? 10% weight by weight. What it means?
10% of solute.
No,
So for every 10 grams of solution, there is 1 gram of solute.
Yeah.
So write down 10 gram of solute, 10 gram of solute present in 100 grams of solution. Then 10 grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution. Clear? You can say also 10 kg of solute present in 100 kg of solute. Percentage weight by volume. It is ratio of weight of solute in gram to volume of solution in milliliter multiply by 100. Clear? So it is equal to weight of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in milliliter multiply by 100. So write down 10% weight by volume is given up. So write down 10 gram of solute, 10 grams of solute present in 100 milliliter of solution. Percentage volume by volume. It is ratio of volume of solute. It is ratio of volume of solute to volume of solution multiply by 100. That is, percentage volume by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So 10% volume by volume is given. So what does it mean?
10 ml of
Yes, 10 ml of solute, 10 ml solute present in 100 ml of solution. You can also say in liter. Gram strength, it is the ratio of weight of solute to volume of solution in liter. So weight of solute to volume of solution in liter. Yes, weight should be in gram, because name is gram strength. So it is the ratio of weight of solute in gram to volume of solution in liter. Parts per million. So write down, it is amount of solute, it is amount of solute present in 1 million of solution. Clear? That is ppm equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solution, either in gram or into 10 raised to 6. Or you can also write this. Yeah, unit will be cancelled out, na? You can also write, see here, multiply this by 10, not 10. So you can take 10 raised to 3 with this and divide the 10 raised to 3 this. So you can say weight of solute in milligram, weight of solute in milligram divided by weight of solution in kilogram. Mole fraction, mole fraction. So write down, it is the ratio of moles of individual component, moles of individual components to moles of all components, moles of all components. For example, if we have N1, N2, N3 and so on, moles are present. So we have to find the mole fraction of 1. So you can write like this, x1 will be, x1 is the mole fraction, which will be equal to moles of this component divided by moles of all component, that is N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus so on. Clear? Therefore you can write Ni divided by summation of Ni, where I will be 1 to N. Why 4? So write down, it is represented by, mole fraction is represented by X. The sum of mole fraction of all components will be always equal to 1. Sum of the mole fraction of all components will be always equal to 1. That is, summation of xi will be 1, or you can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on will be 1.